Hello and welcome internet, welcome to my channel. Today we visit Villa Praia de Ancora, and it's very popular because many hikers visit this place because it's on the Camino de Santiago route. And also a large boulevard. There's a really nice fort up here in the middle of the town. This village is also protected by hills and mountains, so it's very safe here. It's a fishing village and yeah, it's famous about the beach. There are some surfers and a lot of fishing boats. What a beautiful coast up here, and also a nice camper spot here right next to the beach. From this beach we go to another beach. Beautiful camper spot up here. We just crossed the border, Portugal and Spain. You see the bridge. We just went over the bridge, and here there are a lot of pontoons. I don't know where they are used for, but there are many. So, back in Spain. Here in Combarro, that is located in the Galicia region, you will find the hórreos, and these are traditional grain stores on stilts. It's designed to keep the food dry and safe from animals. Super peaceful. Marketen voor visjes. It's really a picturesque village up here. Up here in Combarro El Patron. Steffi wants to catch some sardines all the time. I told her you already went twice and she's not listening. So no more No more beach. Whoa, nice lemon tree. This is such a cute town.